Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good evening. My name is Muhammad Zumi Batlan. My number metric is 23DLS185265 and I'm from Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management from Politechnic Nilai. So today I'm gonna present about industrial training that I have been in SNT Global Logistics Sdn Bhd for my 20-week internship. For the content of the presentation for today is, for the first one is a profile about the background of the company, and the second one is for industrial training activities that I have been doing during the internship at the SNT Global Logistics in Berhad, and for the third one is suggestion and improvement for SNT Global Logistics in Berhad, and for the last one is conclusion about the world situation that I have been through during the internship industrial training. So for the introduction, in the 20 week of the industrial training period, I work as a trainee in a fully warehouse operation firm, which is Senti Global Logistics in Berhad. So I was assigned under e-commerce department. My job scope is help picking order for a few brands. For example, like Crestas, La Roche-Posay, and other S brand. So the purpose of the industrial training introduced is to increase the level of work ability of graduate as well as to strengthen the acquired competencies. Industrial training course give the student the opportunity to improve their marketability. For 20 weeks, students have undergone industrial training in the government or private sector who are exposed or feel the real situation of the workplace. The course also provides exposure and experience to students in terms of technological development, effective communication, teamwork practice, policies, procedure and regulation, professional perspective and reporters. This course will build a proactive spirit and teacher among the students and in turn increase student confidence to become excellent trainees. In addition, this industrial training also gives a student the opportunity to practice what they have learned at the university, or we call it IPT or IPTA, by further expanding the knowledge that allows students to learn more than what they have learned. This allows the student to be a creative and innovative employee in the future. Furthermore, through this industrial training can help students in solving problems and control while carrying out work. Therefore, students can think in finding a solution to the problem. So the objective for internship is for uh, uh, for the first one is developing a professional attitude. Second one is giving students an understanding of the theory about what they learn in the universities, and giving exposure to students about the world of work, and instilling a spirit of cooperation and good relationship between the company and employees. So for the next slide is a profile for background of the company. So as you can see for the new slide is a SNT Global company logo, and SNT was established in early 2000. CEO and founder was David Wang. Started the company software business. The company have award by MIDA because perform in omnichannel fulfillment service provider, and SNT has a strategic market presence in Asia. Also got collaborate with their partner all over the world to improve efficiency of their customer supply chain. So SNT Global Logistics is a renowned global logistics service in Malaysia. They assist the industry and trade in global flow of commodities by providing land transport, international air and ocean freight, and contract logistics and supply chain management. Integrated logistics exists at the world's most critical crossroad, where the movement of commodity establish an efficient relationship between carriers. Their value-added service guarantee that items flow smoothly and supply network remain lean and optimized for success. So the company is a market leader in automobile, technology, consumer product, trade show logistics, specialty fashion, and special event logistics. So as a global logistics, I have 6 branch, which is a 6 warehouse. For the first one is Subang 9 Warehouse, and Forest Warehouse, Eastern Warehouse, Southern Warehouse, and the last one is Singapore office. They also make a partner with the Post Laju, Acanto, Correcto, FedEx, Shopee, Wish Dispatch, Ninja Van, and others courier and the ship between the e-commerce things. So the company service for what they offer for the customer is warehousing and fulfillment, and last mile delivery, multi-channel integration, and also customer service, as we know, and the cross-border management and technology like system WMS. For the next slides, I'm gonna present about the industrial training activity that I have been through during the internship for 20 weeks in S&T Global Logistics Sudan. So during my internship, I was assigned to the e-commerce department. So the e-commerce is the software that enables the commercial process of buying and selling of goods or service over the internet. So the e-commerce department is in charge of keeping the client informed about the status of their package. So I shall be and my team responsible for the shipment until they have delivered to the customer. The e-commerce department job responsibilities include assisting consumer with order selection, packing, and delivery to customer via customer. So we're using a WMS, we call it warehouse management system. A warehouse management system is also utilized by S&T Global Logistics. So it's a different method used by business to make the logistic process more efficient and coordinated. The system is customized to meet the demands of each customer. Warehouse are safer, quicker, and more efficient using this approach. So for the next slides, I'm gonna explain about the outbound process. So the first one is picking, the process of retrieving located item and bin. And for the second one is quality control, also known as print the airway bin. So the quality controls is the process that update to check or ensure the stock level accurate. And for the airway bill document, the process of printing out airway bill and segregating airway bill document according to platform such as Lazada, Shopee, GDEX, Shipping, Ninjavan, and DHLP. So the third one is packing. The packing process follow the method of the right one. So like we packing the item based on the item. So for the last one is manifest, also known as a store data. So insert the shipping number in the Excel file as information and pass up to the courier driver. And for the last one, ship out finished good. So carrier pick up the package and the finished product ship out. For the objectives of the outbound is ensure each customer order is complete, ensure the quality of good stored securely, to fulfill customer requests and increase customer trust. So the importance of the outbound for the warehouse is to ensure a smooth outflow of goods, meet the needs and want of customer, and guarantee the quality of item. And the last one for improve product sales. For the third chapter is a suggestion and improvement to S&T Global Logistics Syndrome. So during my 20 week of industrial training as NT Global, I had a several possibility to learn and improve myself, particularly in the field of operation. So this organization provide empowered and complete accountable employees that operate with discipline toward procedure and standard that provide considerable value to their customer. So this is my suggestion and improvement to the S&T Global Logistics Syndrome. So they have so need to have a multiple the partner and also create or having another platform like e-commerce. So the second one is maintain facilities and workforce for the labor. So and the last one for manage productivity wisely. For the last chapter is I'm gonna give a conclusion. For the conclusion, even though S&T Global Logistics Company might struggle with some issue with they have, still they have their own way of reinforcing the same standard. This project shall play crucial while joining any such process in the future, as it will act as a base ground to start with, where every student have some knowledge about how things take place in actual scenario. To summarize, I received a fresh experience and information during my 20 weeks industrial training at SNT Global Logistics Berhad. It's allowing me to develop my talent. Furthermore, I have had the opportunity to meet and network with large number of individuals who I am confident will be assist me with the future chance. It has also helped me evolve and become more self-sufficient in seeking answer to my problem. So during my training, I also learned how to interact effectively with my employer and management. There are also lessons that students may gain through attending practical student. More new talent can be learned by the student. For example, I learned about producing paperwork and being self-sufficient in all of the chores that were assigned to me. I'm glad and delighted to be work at SNT Global Logistics, since every employee embraces and treats me like a college. So the last slide, I will show the warehouse equipment that we use during that I used during the internship. So there is a scanner, we call it RF scanner. So I using it for picking item and scan barcode during the quality control. So there are also a tape, printer, ink printer, and sticker paper, and also bubble wrap and a carton box for the deliver the goods to the customer. So, thank you for watching my presentation, and also I want to express my gratitude to the lecturer who guide me and companion throughout the internship program from the beginning till the last day. So, and also I would like to thank and compliment my industrial training supervisor, Mr. Leon Jiawe. So he's very kind person and keen enough to give me full attention during my internship. Without his care and wit, and I will have made any clear progression and understand the purpose of being an intern at all. Most thanks for his support and feedback and all the worthwhile listen. Assalamualaikum and thank you.